Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SkyTech. Today I will show you how to make logo free without any professional skill. So let's start. First of all, open your browser as you prefer. Now type in the search bar logomaker.net and hit enter. By following the above steps, we land on the home page of Logo Maker. Now click on the button Start Designing Logo. You can see here, there are many types of categories related to your business. Now choose your business category. I have chosen fashion category. After choosing a business category, you can see there are many ready-made logos are available. Now choose the design of the logo which you like and then click on it. So our logo design is ready to edit. You can see in the logo section, there are many designs to choose from again. In the color section, you can add multiple colors in the logo as you wish. In the overlay section, you can fill the logo with a texture image. After editing the logo design, now enter the name of your company or startup name. You can also change the font, size, color of the company name and you can also easily move the elements in the editing panel. Now enter the slogan of your company, this is optional. In the last add the background image for a logo. You can also make it transparent by clicking on the transparent option. So your logo is ready to download. Now just click on the save button to download the logo. Before leaving, please like our video and subscribe our channel. If you have any query, please type it in the comment section or tell us how's our video. Your likes and comments motivate us. Thank you for watching our video.